Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make perfect poached eggs using a machine. First, ensure you have your egg poaching machine ready, along with some fresh eggs. Next, fill the machine's water reservoir to the level indicated by the manufacturer, usually a small amount. Finally, lightly grease the individual poaching cups with a tiny bit of oil or butter. This simple step helps prevent your delicious eggs from sticking, making removal much easier. Now that your machine is prepped, carefully crack one egg into each of the greased poaching cups. Be gentle to keep the yolks intact. Once all your eggs are in place, securely position the poaching tray inside the machine. Close the lid firmly to ensure proper steaming. Then, set your machine's timer for anywhere from 4 to 6 minutes, depending on how firm you like your yolks. Once the timer signals completion, carefully open the lid. You're looking for firm, opaque whites and a yolk that still has a lovely wobble. Using oven mitts or a towel, carefully remove the hot poaching cups from the machine. They will be very warm. Finally, gently slide each perfectly poached egg onto your plate. They are now ready to enjoy on toast, in a salad, or however you prefer. For the best results, always use cold eggs directly from the refrigerator. They tend to hold their shape better during poaching. Remember, cooking times can vary slightly between machines and your personal preference, so feel free to adjust the timer by 30 seconds or so to achieve your ideal yolk consistency. Experimentation is key to perfection. Also, if you're looking for other great resources, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.